Intersectionality,
complex, interwoven,
and that their relationships are essential
to an understanding of the human condition.
When systems of justice, or other entities, attempt to look at each aspect in isolation,
then misconceptions may occur, and essential understandings may be lost.
Apartheid was legal.
Slavery was legal.
Colonialism was legal.
Legality was a matter of power,
not justice. From whom, or where do you derive your authority?
From the man in the sky?
From the law of the land?
The laws of the land?
Or from the whims and prejudices of men and women? The power of one
is in the unity of purpose.
Within intersectionality,
the power is in each one of you, together.
Little ripples can turn the tides of history. Knowledge is power.
Do you know your laws?
From pretend laws.
From pretend judicial officers.
When corporate administrators are masquerading as judicial officers.
Has the force awoken in you yet?
Your inalienable right to be heard in a court of law.
By competent, independent, and impartial court, or tribunal.
After a fair and public hearing.
A nobody, that you are.
You have the power to change the system.
One ripple at a time.
Setting people up to fail.
And when they do, fail.
Allowing Peter Dutton and his mates to label people
inferior.
Depriving access to health, education, employment.
Access to courts and judicial process.
If you are invited to your courts,
for them to deprive you of your liberty and or property,
you should seek to apply Section 33 and Section 36 of the Charter,
or via Section 109 of the Constitution,
Section 51 of the Constitution,
for your constitutional rights therein.
4. Access to health, education, employment.
Access to courts and judicial process.
Intersectionality,
complex, interwoven,
and that their relationships are essential
to an understanding of the human condition.